When we are doing a schematic design project, we are choosing those generic elements and we're not really caring how those elements look in the 3D yet. And so we have those odd colors. And the reason is because we can now go and paint those surface. But before doing that, let's create another wall here. Let's go to the 3D. So I'm going to press the F3 key. So this wall is right now kind of yellow color from the generic material it has. One way to change the surface of this wall is by selecting the wall, use the Ctrl T to go to the settings, go down to the model bar here, and here we can override surface. Starting with the outside surface where I can choose a bright color here. You can also change the sides of the wall. So for instance, let's choose yellow. And you can choose the internal surface. Let's keep it white for now. Press OK. And here we go. So we have orange on the outside, yellow on the sides, and white on the inside. But there's a better way to do that, and is by using the Surface Painter. So I'm going to delete this wall here in the 3D. And to open the Surface Painted palette, we go to Window, Palettes, Surface Painter. Notice that the Surface Painted palette is only available when you are in 3D. If you're in the plan and you want to open this palette, it won't come up. So I'm going to place this palette here on the side, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so we have more options. Now all we have to do is select a surface. I'm going to look for Stucco White. There we go. Click on it. Make sure the Surface Painting mode is active here, and go ahead, start painting the walls that you want. So click here again, paint the wall. A faster way to do it is if you click and hold here on the brush, you can change the painting mode from one to multiple walls. So you can just keep on painting without stopping. So I'm going to go ahead here, paint the side of this slab, paint this wall, paint the side of this slab, paint this wall, and so on. Notice one thing. If I go here on the top, let's say we're going to paint those two walls. Let's choose here a wood finish. Let's say we're going to put some timber on this upper part of the house. So I'm going to choose any wood for now. I'm going to choose this one. Notice that if you click on the surface that you want to paint, like the top surface and the side surface, Archicad is only going to paint those two surfaces. But if you click on an edge of the wall, like if I click on this edge, Archicad is going to paint the whole wall. So bear that in mind that sometimes you don't want to paint the whole wall, so make sure you click only on the surface, not on the edge. And one last thing is when you're painting and you want to pick up any other color, just use this eyedropper here on the surface. So I'm going to eyedrop here to pick up the Stucco White again and carry on painting. So go ahead and paint the house until it looks good.